Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be learning from 1 to 9 and we will color all these numbers with different colors. Let us get started. This is 1. Number 1. 1. This is 2. Number 2. 2. 2. This is 3. 3. 3. This is 4. 4. 4. This is 5. 5. 5. This is 6. 6. 6. This is 7. 7. 7. This is 8. 8. 8. This is 9. 9. 9. We will read them again. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9. Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.